One of my favorite things about Allie is her devotion to our friendship.
We have always been very overprotective of Allie and always want the best for our girl. So, 5+ years ago, I saw her head over heels after a date she went on. It didn't seem like anything went right. I was a bit skeptical, to say the least.
In Leo, I found a confidant, a partner in crime, and a source of constant inspiration. We've laughed together, cried together, Indian leg wrestled together, and faced life's challenges side by side.
Leo, you are a genuine person with a big heart, a true gentleman, and a loyal friend. Thank you for loving, respecting, and adoring Allie the way that you do. Allie, I'm happy you found and fell in love with Leo. As I know, he will spend the rest of his life being your biggest supporter, your shoulder to cry on when times get tough, your friend to laugh with, and just your overall soulmate.
Leo, you begin this new chapter in your life, but remember that our brotherhood will remain the same, strong as ever. Cherish the moments, embrace the challenges, and that I'll always be there for you just as you've always been there for me.
You two bring out the best in each other. And remember, if you two can survive the worst first date in history, you can survive it all. Just keep choosing each other.
It's great when you find that special person you want to annoy for the rest of your life.
On their first date, the moment Allison saw Leo, she immediately felt, in her words, "Holy shit, you're walking towards your husband." Leo, do you take Allison to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Allison, do you take Leo to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of Massachusetts, I'm happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
We're here to celebrate the wedding of Allie and Leo. So let's raise a glass and a toast to Allison and Leo, everlasting happiness and love. Thank you.
Here we go.